Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Maths Adda. Thank you for liking my videos. Today we will be doing logarithmic equation. So in this chapter we will be learning how to solve equations related to log. This is a very easy part, but there can be good questions in this chapter. So let's start. Logarithmic equation. What type of question will be there? It will be containing terms of log. So logarithmic equations will be containing terms of log. So what type? It can be like this one, or it can be like so logarithmic equations, it will contain terms of log. So I took two examples. First is log of x base 2 is equal to 3. This is a logarithmic equation. And I took another one, that is log of x base 3 plus log of x plus 1 base 3 is equal to 1 plus log of 4 base 3, right? This is how logarithmic equation will look like. So before solving this, I will explain theory of logarithmic equation. So if it is log of x base a is equal to log of y base a. So if log of two terms are same, this means x and y must be same. Or in simpler terms, if terms are same, log of those terms will also be same, right? So it works both ways. But you must remember one thing, that is this x and y must be positive and a should be positive, not equal to 1. If it is not defined, there is no point in solving a logarithmic equation. So whenever we solve any equation, not logarithmic, be it trigonometric equation, be it quadratic equation, be it any other algebraic equation, everywhere you will be solving equations in region where those terms are defined. So here in terms of log, x, y should be positive and base a should be positive, not equal to 1. Clear? Let us take first example, that is log of x base 2 is equal to 3. So this is, you can do like this one. This is which format? I say this is logarithmic way of saying information, right? This is logarithmic way of passing an information. What is that? If you put 3 power upon 2, it becomes x, right? So you know what will be x, 2 to the power 3, that is answer. So you can convert to exponential form using this logarithmic form. 2 to the power 3 is equal to x, which says x is equal to 8. You solved it. There is another method using this one. How to do that? For that you must have log both sides. So it is log of x base 2, and I said it should have log term both sides. One more thing is this base should be same. So if it is 2, this side it should be base 2. So 3 into 1, that is, can I 3 into log of 2 base 2? You see, now you can see this side base 2 and this side base 2. So we are moving closer to this formula. Now this is log of x base 2 power log of 2 cube base 2. Now since base is same, you can think like this one, this cancels and you get what? X is equal to 2 to the power 3. So x is equal to 8. Now what did I tell you? I told you this x, y, all these terms would be positive. So you must check it whether x is equal to 8 when you put here, it's defined or not. Log term is defined or not, right? So x equal to 8, if you put yes, log 8 is always defined. Why? Because it is positive. So we solved first example. Let us see second one, that is, now what is the problem? I am very happy all these bases are 3, right? So this means it's easier. Only problem is this term. So convert this will be log of 3 base 3. See, now all terms are here with base 3. So it is left hand side is log of x into x plus 1 base 3, and right hand side is log of 3 into 4 base 3, right? Now applying the formula, if log value is same, this means you cancel it, and x into x plus 1 is equal to 12. So it is x square plus x minus 12 equal to 0. It is x plus 4 x minus 3 equal to 0, right? So now x is equal to minus 4 and x is equal to 3. Now you must check with this which value will make these log terms defined. So x equal to minus 4, log minus 4 base 3 not defined. Minus 4 will not be acceptable, not acceptable. Put 3 here, log of 3 base 3 defined, log of 4 base 3 defined. So this is acceptable. So you got one answer, x is equal to 3. This is how we will be solving logarithmic equations. I took two easier examples. Now I'm going to take some good questions. Maths is 90% kind of practice or different type of questions. So I mean, whenever I do a theory will be 10 minutes kind of. After that we will be solving questions. So you must see lot of solved questions, otherwise that chapter will be kind of bouncy for you. So that's why I will always try to bring lot of questions in my lectures. Let's move ahead. Solve these questions. Log of this base 7, that's good. So what I will be doing, I will be converting this to log of 7 base 7, right? So left hand side it is log of 2 to the power x minus 1 into 2 to the power x minus 7 base 7, and right hand side it is log of 7 base 7. So this will cancel. Don't say cancel, I'm just doing it. This log of x base a is equal to log of y base a, so x is equal to y. So 2 to the power x minus 1 into 2 to the power x minus 7 is equal to 1. This is what? Exponential equation, right? So how to solve it? 2 to the power x is equal to t. So t minus 1 into t minus 7, it is not 1 here, it is 7 here, is equal to 7. So t square minus 8t plus 7 is equal to 7. So t square minus 8t equal to 0. So t into t minus 8 equal to 0, t equal to 0 or 8. That is 2 to the power x is equal to 0. 2 to the power x equal to 0, it is never possible. Exponential term always positive. I told you that, remember discussion, a to the power x will always be positive. So it is always positive, never 0. It's not acceptable, right? Then 2 to the power x is equal to 8, x is equal to 3. So you got one answer, x is equal to 3. You must check it if 3 is satisfying it or not. So put 3, 2 to the power 3, 8, 8 minus 1, 7, log is defined. 2 to the power 8 minus 7 log 1, it is defined. So x is equal to 3 is acceptable. Now move to next one. Question number 4. X to the power 1 plus log x is equal to 10x. First thing I must tell you, when it is log x means base is 10. So if I don't write anything, if I write log a and don't write anything, means you must assume this is base 10 here. This is true when you are doing algebra, and we are doing algebra now. When you do calculus and if I write log of a and nothing given, if it is calculus, it will be base e. You have no idea what is e. We will discuss that what is e. So here we are doing algebra and nothing is written, so base is 10. So this is what? X to the power 1 plus log x is equal to 10x. This is not exactly logarithmic. What I will do, take log both side and it will convert to log. So if I take log both side, are you getting it what I'm saying? Meaning take log both side. I think I'm taking log for first time, right? So if it is 2 to the power x is equal to y, if I take log, means what? Log of 2 to the power x base a and log y base a. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm saying. Take log. So if a is equal to b given, then I take log and say I log a is equal to log b. Clear? So I am going to do that. So if you take log, it becomes log of x to the power, I just say in the beginning it's t term, so I write x to the power t base 10, and this is log of 10x base 10. Can I do that? Yes. So what is next? It is now t log of x base 10, and this is log 10 base 10 plus log of x base 10. Further, what is t? T is 1 plus log x into log x base 10. Log of 10 base 10 is 1, and this is log of x base 10. Put log of x base 10 equal to t. So it is 1 plus t into t is equal to 1 plus t, right? So this is t square plus t is equal to t plus 1, t square is equal to 1, t is equal to plus minus 1. So log of x base 10 is equal to 1. This means x is equal to what? 10. Log of x base 10 is equal to minus 1. So what is x? X is equal to 10 to the power minus 1. Here now you must check it if it's working or not. So put x equal to 10 here. Log 10 is defined. Yes, it's okay. So no issues. 1 by 10 if you put here. Yes, no issues. So now it's working. So you got two answers. This one and this one. Next. This is question number 5. So it is log x square. So it is copying it. Put log x is equal to t. So t square minus 3t is equal to 2t minus 4. This is t square minus 5t plus 4 equal to 0. T minus 4, t minus 1 equal to 0. This means t is equal to 4 and 1. When t is equal to 4, t equal to 4 means log of x base 10 is equal to 4. X will be 10 to the power 4, that is 10,000. Now log of x base 10, next answer is 1 is equal to 1. X is equal to 10 to the power 1. This is one answer. This is another answer, right? Now let us check, will these values satisfy log x? Yes, 10,000 put, log will define, log will define, log will define. So for both the values log will be defined, so both are acceptable. Now next, how to solve it? This is log 100x whole square. So it is base 10 again, everywhere base 10 is here, if not written base 10. So this is log of 100x whole square. This is log of 10x whole square is equal to 14. This is minus log of x base 10. Power x to the power minus 1 comes outside. Or write this one. So this is log of 100 base 10 plus log of x base 10 whole square. This is log of 10 base 10 plus log of x base 10 whole square is equal to 14 minus log of x base 10. Now log of 100 base 10 is 2. 2 plus, just say this is t. So 2 plus t whole square. This becomes 1 plus t whole square. And this is 14 minus t, where t is equal to log of x base 10. Now simplify it. So it is t square plus 4t plus 4. This is t square plus 2t plus 1 minus 14 plus t equal to 0. So it is 2t square and then 7t minus 9. So it is 2t square plus 9t minus 2t minus 9 equal to 0. Take t, 2t plus 9. Take minus 1, 2t plus 9, factorize. And so this is t minus 1 into 2t plus 9 equal to 0. So what are the values of t? T is 1 or minus 9 by 2. And what is t? Log of x base 10, that is 1. This means x is equal to 10. One answer. Now other value is t is equal to minus 9 by 2. Log of x base 10 is equal to minus 9 by 2. So x is equal to 10 to the power minus 9 by 2. You cannot simplify it. This is your second answer. Now let us check it. Whatever positive x you put, it's positive, it's positive, it's positive, so it's defined. So both the values answers, both the answers are accepted. So this is how we will be solving logarithmic equations, right? So I hope you got how to solve logarithmic equations. It's very simple one. It's very simple. Apply a simple formula and get the answer. In the end, I have added some questions for practice. Please practice those questions, and if you have any doubt, please let me know. So thank you everyone for watching this. If you like this video, please like it, share it, comment on the comment section and subscribe it. Thank you.